ahead and unbox some things right quick. I haven't even seen them in person yet. Jesus. This is straight. Yes, sir. Damn, energy boy called on about another video. Overall, it's a pretty good shoe.
I let a blue race, she to my pet.
Oh, dope.
Addicted to sex, I got it.
It just copped the Paul George's.
Don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got.
Yes, sir. That is your boy Cole, back with another video, bro. Today, look, we at Lenox Mall, bright and early. It's currently like 10:30, something like that. But look, I know my do-rag, you know, it could be a little bit better. It could be, I know, look, word two, I already know. But we are currently at Lenox Mall. You saw the title of this video. You know we don't strike on our sneakers no more. You dig what I'm saying? We are about to cop. Wow, we are about to cop the Yeezy Static Black. Yeah, for sure. And we cooking today. So first what we gotta do, we gotta meet the sneaker plug first. Then we're gonna go to Foot Locker, you know, cop the reserve pair that we want off the app. And then we finna see if we can cop some leftover pairs. I really doubt they're gonna have any, especially like this early in the morning. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the sneaker plug. But it's a great day. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. I'm breathing, bro. Your boy looking good with the, hey, and I know like y'all seen the pink silky last video. Hey, y'all don't know nothing about this shit today. As you can tell, I'm happy, bro. We got somebody in the comments actually knew what this tee was. I got it from Goodwill, but this thrifted tee, got some Champion sweats, off-white Prestos, nothing major, bro. I'm really just on a bum fit, you know, on the way to the mall. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the plug. Man, Dro with the hookup, yes sir. Go ahead and unbox some things right quick. I haven't even seen them in person yet. These is clean, bro. These is, yeah.
Yo, I saw the Foot Locker pair.
For real?
The size 9. It was supposed to be for you. Like some dude came up. He was like 500. I'm like, bad.
Nah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
And then I went to Adidas and I got your pair.
All right, but yeah, I'm like, dang, oh, that's fine. Yeah, I don't blame you.
Follow me on the gram at He Chasing Death, and then my YouTube, Baby Dro.
Facts. Yeah, go ahead, follow the kid, bro. He's really the plug out here. Yes, sir. Man, y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. Yes, sir. So, yo, we're on the way to Foot Locker right now at Lenox. We got the first, you know, size 9 secure. Shout out to Joe. Make sure y'all go follow and subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'm on my way to Foot Locker, so when I get to Foot Locker, I will hit y'all once again. You know, we'll try and do the review at the end of this video, but we're gonna see how much we can cook up today, bro. So we got pair number 1, heading to pair number 2 right now. Yes, sir. You too. Thank you, you too. I know you see it. I know you see it. We cooking today, bro. Static, black statics. I heard they limited. To who though? I'm capping, bro. I'm just really getting lucky right now. I might stop and get something to drink, some food. I'm finna bring this to the car first. But I heard bruh sold, the plug actually sold a pair for 500, like in person. Yo, come get it. Come get it off me, bro, for 5. I'm out of here. Look, so before I even like about to end this video, bro, this is the line that I was gonna wait in. I don't know if I'm still gonna do it. Bro, it takes like, bro, 6 p.m. is when it starts, bro. The next is 3:27, bro. I don't know if I can do it. Like, yeah, I got my pair, but that's gonna be tight, bro. All right, bro, so look, this is what we're about to do. because I want to still try and cook up today, but I want to drop this video today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and review these right here in the mall. Like, bro, I'm literally sitting in like the middle at the top of Lenox Mall. I'm finna sit this down and unbox these for y'all right quick. I'm trying to find the best lighting is gonna be this way, bro. Oh, I wanted to like do like an official, you know, at the crib type review, but man, I'm trying to cook today and I have to wait till about like 6 p.m. to like know if I'm gonna get up here or not. Not even 6 p.m., 7 p.m. really. Bro, this lighting is trash. I'm trying to see if I can relocate. All right, I'm gonna make the lighting better now. All right, so bro, here we go, bro. We got the Yeezy 350 V2 Black Status, bro. These, now I seen them in person, because like I said, I seen Dro, and he did like a quick little unboxing. This is the size 12, so this is the size 12 that I got. And everybody's staring at me right now. It's weird. Now, bro, Yeezy V2 Status, bro. Go ahead, take a good look at them. And the laces, you know, they reflect just like, you know, the regular Status, but this is the non-reflective pair, but the laces do reflect even on the non-reflective pair. Show y'all quick little, and these is tough, bro. People calling these the Pirates. Like I said, I'm seeing people like literally in the mall, bro, selling these for like 500. I'm gonna sell my size 9 to somebody, you know, in the Atlanta Facebook group for $460. He should be pulling up today. But these, bro, are magnificent, bro. It's a great day, man. But yeah, nothing's really, you know, too different. I think you could probably, I don't even know if you could see a sock, you know, between that line right here, you know, that kind of translucent line that on the like the regular Statics, you can't see socks through there, but this is black, so I think you actually would have, I don't know, because there's a white, you know, like insole stuffing in here, and you can't see that at all unless y'all can see it. I can't see it at all. But bro, these are so tough, bro. Well, like I said, bro, I wanted to unbox these. I think it's thunder. I wanted to unbox these for y'all, bro, so y'all would get, you know, a quick little first look. I wanted to be like one of the first people to, you know, do the pickup vlogs for today. So look, y'all gotta do me a favor, bro. Smash that subscribe button, bro, and also like this video, bro. And you know, like turn on post notifications, bro, because we always are doing the live comments, bro. God has been on my side. He's been giving me some luck. So we about to get some more pickup vlogs, some more heat pickup vlogs in the future, bro. Like I said, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and I don't have an outro, so. And I know y'all see the edit.